In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily make polls on WhatsApp. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up WhatsApp. Then tap right here to head over to chats, and after that you need to enter a group chat conversation. Now guys, to create a poll, we need to tap right here at this plus and then select poll. At the very top here, first off, we need to enter our question, like which color you like the most. And down below here we can select options: green, red, blue. We can set up to 12 different options here, and then down below here we need to choose whether we allow multiple answers in our poll or not. Then to send this poll we just need to tap at send, and as you can see now it has been sent to that group conversation, and now any participant can vote in this node by selecting one or multiple answers depending on your poll settings. All the results are visible to anyone in that group conversation by hitting at view votes. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.